Natural hair twist tutorial for beginners. So you have to section the hair first into smaller sections so that you don't get overwhelmed by the volume of the hair you are working with. Okay, so right now I'm also applying leave-in conditioner. I can use a twist and lock cream, curling cream, twist and lock gel. So now I'm dividing the hair into two equal parts and I'm just rolling them across themselves, as you guys can see. Check the description box for a full video on how to twist natural hair, like a full length video telling you the kinds of products to use and all that good stuff, because I'm not twisting and twisting and twisting and twisting. I didn't braid from the roots. Okay, I didn't braid from the roots. Okay, guys, so just twisting and repeating the same process here.
I told a bitch back up, you gon' need to get them stacks up. No, I don't need no.
And when I was done twisting, I went ahead to apply some mousse. Mousse helps with like hold and shine. It's really nice, like using mousse after twist, guys. It's very underestimated, but it's really nice. So this is the final look, guys. I did like regular box twists and you can see the sides. That's it. That's all.
Bitch, you live in the bystanders. All of this